this is Bevan. I'm here with Fat Kid Dance Party in the Woods. I just taught my weekly aerobics class right here in the woods. I love getting it to bring it to folks. That's through my Patreon. But I just wanted to share a little dance tutorial. So this is the very watered down version of the Hangin Tough. If you, like me, enjoy boy bands, and you, like me, enjoy an expansive notion of gender, let's say that a boy band is a non-threatening masculinity, right? Any gender assignment, you can be a boy band, right? One of my favorite boy bands of all times is New Kids on the Block. That's who I loved when I was in middle school. It's still in my heart. So the Hangin Tough is open, open. This is the watered down. Jog, jog, jog. Open, open, jog, jog, jog. Open, open, jog, jog, jog. Open, open, jog, jog, jog. That is what I have done for many years because I couldn't quite get it. I have been literally working on the Hangin Tough for 30 years since I was a middle schooler, right? So it's really hop, hop, hop in the middle, and you're just open, open, hop, hop, hop. I just kept trying it. And even after teaching my boy band choreography for Fat Kid Dance Party, open, open, hop, hop, hop. But it's kind of open, hop, 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 open, hop, hop, hop. And you do it like this. And eventually, after doing that kind of earlier watered down one, I eventually was able to do this. And now it busts out of me every time, not every time I dance. I don't do the Hangin Tough every time I dance, but I could. Because I tried, I stuck in there. That's patience, that's perseverance. Those are the things you need to truly win in your life, is patience and perseverance. So I hope this was helpful. I hope you hung tough. I hope you hang tough in real life because you are worthy of love exactly as you are. There's only one of you in all of time and space. I truly believe every single one of us is an infinite creature, and we all have different dreams that are in our hearts that are meant to come true for us and meant to advance humanity. And I believe that if you don't do you, you don't get done. So there's dreams that will die with you. That's why the graveyard is the most expensive real estate in the world, because of all the dreams that died. So I want you to just put one foot in front of the other, get a little out of your comfort zone every day, really getting to what you need to do, and to just keep your strength. Don't give it away. Don't give away your perspective is your point of power. They can't take that away from you. So if you learn how to think and how to get out of the matrix and how to get out of these systems that tell you that your body's not worthy and there's something you need to do in order to be enough, you are enough. You already are. This is just you getting out of your comfort zone and becoming more, because we want and need more of you, because it's the people who are willing to be more, do more, get out of their comfort zone, willing to fail, failing forward. Success looks like failure 90% of the time, right? So that's my pep talk for you. That's Hangin Tough, for real. Other than our little middle school dance. I was just you would not believe, after 30 years of trying this, suddenly last July I was like, oh my God, I'm doing the Hangin Tough. I want that for you. Love you, everybody. I'm Bevan. Patreon.com/FKDP. FatKidDanceParty.com. Find me on Instagram at Bevan's Party and at Fat Kid Dance Party. Bye, everybody.